how to change your gender on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your gender on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then just click on your profile here in the top, and here you will find edit. Click on it and then just click on your gender and then just select any gender you want and click save. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.